Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G50 and I will show you the fingerprint scanner speed test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So yeah, let's make a test. I'm gonna put my finger right here, I'm gonna put it and then rise. So let's start. Okay, so right now you can spot the short delay between touching and unlocking phone. I mean, when I touch, I'm able to rotate the phone with a lock screen. As you can see, I touch, screen is still black, and after that unlock is right here in front of us. So definitely the sensor is not the fastest you can find in phones. But the good point is definitely the reliable of this sensor. It works in all tries. That's cool. Okay, so as you can see, sensor works not that bad. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.